Hey guys, so today we are about to seal up every bit of this shade. I just walked in here and saw a lizard and I almost freaked out. About to seal everything. We have I'm gonna show y'all in a second what we have. I see a roach. Oh my god, this is not it. This is not it. I am trying to watch my back because I'm freaking terrified, y'all. I don't know what is in this thing. This is the first time I've been in here at night since we've gotten it. And I'm scared. I don't like bugs. But we need to seal off these cracks before we do anything else. Like that's step one before anything. I just see a little roach colors. So this is gonna be interesting. Let me show y'all what we have to seal it up. Some of this stuff from Home Depot for the bait gaps, and then we got a red can for just regular size cracks and caps. So let me get off the camera and show y'all what we got going on. Was it, you check the can color? Yeah. It's coming out? Yeah. It's hot in here. Oh, that's gonna take forever. That could take 8 hours to dry. Okay guys, we got a problem. I don't think that we're gonna do this today. Just because the gaps are too big for the thing that we have. It's coming out super slow. And we have to go through every piece of wood and metal to seal all of this out. So I don't think that we're gonna do this today because we need to find a different product to use. So far, I don't know if y'all can see up there in the corner right there where the white stuff is, but that's all we got done. Pull the colors, show them how slow that shit coming out. Y'all, it don't even look like nothing is moving in it. That's how much is coming out. I did so much research trying to find the right thing and I resulted to that, and that's not even it. Open this door, I'm scared. Oh my god, this is a problem. We don't know what we're doing. I told y'all we rookies, so I'll be back. Okay y'all, so it is working for us. We figured out how to do it. You pull these two together. And look at this, it is so messy. This is what it looks like. It's super messy. Don't worry about it being ugly because we're gonna fix that. Carlos' one is a lot neater than mine. I think I'm just pulling the trigger too strong. A lot of it, let me show y'all what it's like. See there? Because I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm using too much of this. Oh my god, look at that one. That's like an icicle. You gotta be careful not to put your hand. I got some of this on my hand. We underestimated this thing. We just didn't know how to work it, but we got a good bit of it done. I can show y'all. It does look a little messy right now, but we're gonna cover it so we're not tripping about that. This is where we started. That's why it looks like that. You out? This is where we started. That's why it looks so messy. We went along the bottom, but we still need to get along the sides there, and we also need to do some more to the top. But I'm going to get these two sides right here all the way down. We're not going to worry about the sides of these because there's no entrance, but we are probably, I don't know if we should get right here or not, but we're probably going to do it to be on the safe side. But we colors the top part there. We did quite a bit. Still got to get the size of those, of course. But we did a lot with 2 cans. We sweating like crazy. It's hot. All we have is this little window. And last little bit I'm squeezing, but we did a lot inside here. We smell like raid, roach spray. We spraying the acid raid in here because we don't see a whole lot of everything. Cockroach, little roaches. I don't know what the little roaches called. They just called roaches?
Really German roaches, buddy.
Little roaches. Behind me, Carlos already opened the installation. We got 2 packs of those. I can jump in and show y'all. We got 2 packs of these, and we're gonna see if we use all of it, if we need more, and all of that good stuff. We've never done this before. We're also taking precautions. Y'all see Carlos, he is covered completely. Carlos is covered completely. We're taking precautions. So am I. So I'm gonna have y'all watch us do the installation. And yeah, but oh, I'm fogging up, Carlos.
Need some gloves. Need a staple gun. Need some tape. Oh, you have a big one first. Right here. Cable. Yeah. Now it's fogging up. I don't know how this will work. And I also got some extra staples. And I got this for the door.
I'm gonna put this on the door. This is like a weatherproof seal foam protection, so bugs don't get at the bottom or around the door. We got this insulation from Home Depot. It's not the best brand, but I've done some research and saw that it wasn't the worst one either. So we're gonna go with that. And just a reminder, we are doing a shed. It's not like it's a house in a livable space, even though we will spend a lot of time in here. So we just decided to go with something that was decent but not too expensive. I'm a rookie at the installation. Carlos actually did work like this before, so he knows a little bit more than I do. But he's gonna teach me because I want to learn. I want to do it with him. It's hard. Here's the thing. Mosquitoes, man. That's out that window too.
I'm about to pass you this and I want some.
Yeah, I know. You about to open that. You need to open that one. Damn, you got that shit all over the place.
Ain't big man out the real, man. You fucking on the speed, man.
I know. My glasses is fogging the fuck up. Yo, you look. Make another one. Roll up.
You know the way there? We could have just got the old end of the tube off. Hold on, we can't. Sure. Maybe I ain't got to change something. That shit looking long, let the tip come down.
Yeah, I can't play that. That's it all the way over. It was like a different size, so. This gonna be a 2-day job. We almost got this whole wall done. We have the thing right here, that's why we didn't get in that corner yet. They say nothing worth having comes easy, ain't that the truth?
Ain't that the truth? Like you some old ass nigga. Just sit down and movie. Ain't that the truth? That old lady. She said, what do you have playing around? Yeah, a minute. Don't be a minute.
Yeah, no. I'm going to stop it. Hey, don't be doing fast on me like this, you done got me 3 damn people behind. Alright.
You can switch tasks.
Giant. People drown. Don't you know bugs yet tonight? He'll be behind the damn people. The shed's coming along, y'all. All the paper is up. Starting with the installation now. Honey is doing her thing in here. That's pretty cool. It's so good. Alright. You need me to cut it? See if you can push them in more so you can cut off some more. Oh, you need something for your eyes, Pablo. Now, got smart outlets that work with Alexa for $4.99, $4.99. So you can say, Alexa, turn off the TV or something, and it'll, since you got the TV plug up in the smart thing. Yeah. But anyway, watch this music on for you.
I need music.
You don't want no music?
Off the bench, man. I ain't put no extra on there.
Extra.
You gotta tell me to cut them longer or something?
No, I said cut them short. Because it's hard to say how poopy this one is. Look like if you had flattened it, it would have pushed out to have more space and you could have had a little longer pieces left. I probably could have covered for another rectangle.
I'm talking about them ends I cut now?
Yeah.
Them ends ain't gonna ever cover a whole rectangle.
When every time you cut a piece off?
Oh, you mean like putting two together?
Yeah. What's your sweat on your leg? That one must be small, Carlos. What's your non-sweating right? You need that 2x4 too. And I see it now that I'm looking at it. I can see the 2 small ones. The small ones must be in the corner.
Yep.
So, to be honest, use the baking in the size that it fit, and we might can get off with instead of buying another big ass like roll. We can do out a little small little circle roll that we're looking at. I'm gonna have a 2x4.
Oh, see what else is now.
Let's see one too. Spray. Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. Let's see if you on this side.